Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to put in a post. Welcome to the Small Yard Tractor. This is Robert, and today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install that fence gate. And I'm walking to the back of the property to find a post or giant stick, if you will, a post to put in for the gate to attach to. So come with me and enjoy the journey. Thank you. Well, I think what we're going to do is we're going to take our fence here and we're going to take the uh, log here that I'm going to use. It's a couple inches in diameter. Should work fine for stabilizing the gate. And I've got pretty soft ground, so hopefully the post hole digger will work. The other piece that I was going to use to get this gate in was a bulb auger, but I cannot find mine, so I'm going to go get the post hole digger and we're going to see if we can get this gate installed. My lovely wife found my drill auger, or bulb auger, depending on who you're talking to. I love this thing. It is fantastic. You just hook it to whatever drill you happen to have, and you stick it in the ground, give it a crank or two. I use low setting on my drill. I don't do the fast, because that'll whip. If it hits a root or something, it will whip around, and you'll see it here in a minute. It'll whip around and just grab your wrist. And so I use it on low. Some of you stronger guys out there and stronger women out there can probably do it on high, but I'm just not able to at my age. But yeah, you can see it whip around there. This is a fantastic thing. I put the entire fence in with that because you have to have an auger of some kind. And for these T-posts, that is just perfect. It goes 2 foot deep. It's 3 inches wide. And I just love it. And then, if you have something bigger than 3 inches, then what you can do is just go in at an angle. And that's what I'm doing here, is widening out the hole, going in at an angle, and pulling the dirt out. I ended up getting it a little deep, and I came back and filled it in a little and stuck the post back in, still pulling little pieces off. And yes, all I got done today after looking for that drill auger for hours, all I've gotten done today is this post in the ground. But losing daylight, and it's supposed to rain for the next couple days. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to put in a post without a post hole digger and without a tractor or anything else for that matter. So this is our post, and you can see I've tapped it down a little. And got it kind of leveled up at the fence line, and it's just it's been one of those days. So I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to put in a post. It was intended to be how to put in a gate, but we're running out of daylight. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is Robert with Small Yard Tractor signing off. Have a great day.